Here also we are dealing with missing values. I will give you one indication. When we say exclude cases list wise, even if there is one missing value, that whole case will be removed. Whole case will be removed. When we are talking exclude cases analysis by analysis, it means that if we are calculating correlation amongst three and value of one variable is missing, then it won't include only that variable. In rest of the correlations, it is going to calculate. I will exhibit it at some point. Go for continue. Okay. Sample mean and population mean are value of t is 0. Where is c 0? Where is t sigma? Is that the value which we take into consideration? Can you rerun this? इस बार 10 कर दो. Do it once more. Make it 10. Test value. इसको थोड़ा सा वर्ड पे वर्ड क्लिक करके उस पे पेस्ट कर देना या मैग्नीफाई कर देना. Go to compare means 10. Can you magnify, change the size? View, if it can help, I don't know. Outline size. No, that won't help. Large. You click this one. Go to again view. Come to this one again. I don't know this. They may be considering this one to be outline. It is outline font. Go and it paste it on Word. प्लस माइनस से करो, वो वर्ड में होता है मेरे को. आई डोंट नो वेदर इट हैपेंस हियर आल्सो. क्लिक वर्ड. Anyone from the last bench? My favorite one. Backbenchers are my favorite. Are you backbencher? I'll come to you. How you are concluding that? Can you explain actually to everyone, all the participants, and be little bit loud so your voice becomes audible to all. As the p value is 0.05, therefore and the population mean, and therefore what you do? Reject the what you do with the hypothesis? Take null hypothesis, then it, what is the null hypothesis? Can you state that?
There is no difference between the marks.
Significant difference. No significant difference. How did you conclude that? If you leave p value aside, is there a difference or not? Is there a difference or not? Go to the scroll thoda upar karo. What is the mean of sample 30? What is the population mean? 10. Is there a difference or not? 10 and 30 are two different number or not? And can you scroll downwards? So why you conducted this test to conclude that there is a difference? 10 and 30 are different numbers. You can straight away conclude that they are different. You sit down. Let's give chance to someone else. Anyone from this row. 10 and 30 are two different numbers.